Good morning, everybody. My name is Andrew Miller, exercise physiologist here in Cardiac Rehab, and I'm here to demonstrate on how to use a rower. So this is our rowing machine that we have here in Cardiac Rehab, and I'm just going to highlight a few key features on it before I actually hop on it and show you how to use it. So if you're going to the gym or using this at home or anywhere that you might see this machine, this will be a good tool to use or to reference how to use it. Okay, so first things first, this seat moves all the way back and all the way forward. Okay, so when you're getting on the machine, be mindful that this seat will move. Next, we have our footholds. So we come in here, we have the foot pad at the top of each foothold and the heel latch at the bottom. Okay, and we have each different number, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as well as 1, 2, 3. So if you have a bigger shoe size, a bigger foot, you're gonna slide and kind of jimmy it down to give that foot a wider range so the ball of your foot can rest on that foot pad, okay? For me, I'm gonna go ahead and slide it back up to number 4. All right, next is our level on the side. So this is gonna determine how hard / how intense the resistance is. So on the side we have this little lever here that ranges from 1 to 10. 4 simulates on-water rowing. A lot of people don't know that. There's your fun fact. And anything below that, it's going to be really easy. Anything above that number 4 is going to start to get increasingly harder. Okay? For this demonstration, I will leave it at 4. So now I'm going to go ahead and position myself on the rower. What I'm going to do is pull the seat all the way back. That way I have a good, stable place of balance as I get onto the rowing machine here, okay? I'm going to go ahead and walk my feet forward. So first things first, I'm going to get my feet strapped in. So I'm going to put both feet into each foothold, and then I'm just going to pull the straps to the sky, nice and tight. So my feet are locked in and I can move forward and back as so. Next, I'm gonna scooch myself all the way down to pick up the handle. Now I'm mobile. This is every single piece that we need to start rowing. We have our feet locked in and we have our handle. All right, next I'll demonstrate how to use the rower all together. So first things first, you're gonna bend your knees and straighten your arms so you're slid all the way to the front of the rower. And as you work through it, you're gonna slowly push through the balls of your feet. Your legs will lengthen, and about halfway where your knees are bent before they get fully straight, that's where you're gonna start pulling those shoulder blades together, having that rower hit about chest height. So with all those components coming together, we start to do the row. So bend the knees, arms lengthen the knees, arms bend. So we're taking a look at the rowing screen. We have our time in the top left, how long you're going for, and your distance in the bottom right. There's a few other things on here that aren't as important, but just that time in the top left and how far you're going in distance on the right. That's how to use a rowing machine.